Catboy. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Brave. It's getting right on that.
Do it again.
We're going to do it again.
I'm going to do it again, Catman.
All right.
You do it.
Come on, Catboy.
Mr. Happy.
This is Mr. Happy.
Yeah. That's because you're here, huh? Ready? Jump in. Ready?
Was that fun?
You do it, Catman.
You did.
Yeah.
Kidding? Ready?
Yes. Will you do it?
Here goes the
Yeah.
Catman.
Oh, here we go.
I'm supposed to be
Hunter.
snowboarding tomorrow. This might not be a good idea.
Here goes Catman. Whoa!
Tell Catman he should do it again.
Huh?
Tell Catman to do it again.
Do it again.
You do it.
You do it. I'm digging.
All right, Catboy.
I'm digging.
Wouldn't stand down.
Here, open your legs.
Open your legs.
Oh, jeez. That can't be good.
Ready? Okay, here I come.
Oh!
He did. I did good there.
It's too dark. Can't take pictures.
It's not too dark. Not
Do
too
it
dark.
again.
It's not too dark.
Let's throw snowballs at people.
Snowball fight.
The shovel, the yellow shovel, right? Hit the yellow shovel. Yeah.
Yay! Got it. And then
Awesome.
put
Is that what he said?
and then put the boot in.
Awesome.
Are you doing the walk, Hunter? Show everyone the Hunter walk. Can you do it in your boots? Can you do the Hunter walk in your boots?
Is it like this? You do it this way. Try it. Come on.
Catman showed you his
You're
walk. You
Catboy.
show him your walk, Hunter.
A little snowball.
At
Who's getting this? Oh, you bum you.
You'll never get him out of here.
Uh-uh. Found his
Come on,
home.
Ellie. No? Yeah?
Hunter, are we gonna find a new 7-door up here?
Yes.
You wanna live here?
Yes.
Our house is a 7-door.
Oh.
So let's find a new 7-door.
You want a new 7-door?
Yes.
Where's that going? Oops, nearly. Whoa. Ah.
Uncle Jeff's house could be the new 5-door. That's what Grandma and Grandpa did.
Ah!
Well, we should we tell you where I came from? We're in Hawaii. My parents, their condo was 4 5. Door 7, so we kept down.
Ah!
So when we got to the map, we remembered, but our house is a 7-door in my parents' house.
You bum.
No.
No?
No. Coming up,
Who lives in the 7-door?
Grandma.
No, who lives in the 7-door?
Hunter.
And 12. Travis live at the 7-door?
Yes.
Miss Travis?
Yes.
Where is Travis?
Huh?
Where is he?
He's at the 7-door.
He's at the 7-door?
I
Yeah.
think he's at the 5-door with Grandma and Grandpa waiting for you to get home.
No, he's at the 7-door.
Okay.
Are you going home?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
Not yet.
No, he's...
Look at this, Leslie.
When do you want to go home?
It's you. It's a bunch of old people playing hockey.
Oh yeah, you'll be playing the hockey league. You like that, don't
That's
you?
the Rusty Blades.
No,
No, they've got leagues.
Oh, you wee jobby.